Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to tweet
Share.
on Facebook. You can follow the steps. First, open your Twitter app and you can log into your Twitter account and look at the tweet that you want to share on Facebook. So we could see here's a tweet and you have to click
App.
on the tweet to open it and view the full content. And below the tweet you will see a share icon, an arrow pointing to the right. Tap on this icon to open the sharing options. And we could see here's a lot of options, and right here there's a Facebook logo, and you have to simply tap on the Facebook and from the sharing options, and this will prompt you to your Facebook account. And here we could see you can also write something here to the tweet. You can also choose your audience. It's a public, friends or friends accept. It's an optional, and you can simply tap on the top right corner that says post, and this is how you can share a tweet on Facebook, guys. This is it. By following the steps, you can easily share tweets from Twitter to your Facebook account and engage with your friends and followers across both platforms. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.